Welcome everyone to our weekend analysis this evening. I hope you are all having a lovely weekend. Well, the weekend has just begun. It's been a crazy Friday. Already you can see the charts have been going crazy right now, and we're yet to see what this coming week has in store for us. So, without further ado, before we even start, just know that we still have the coupon running, which is the Start 2026 coupon that gives you 30% off all products. So make sure you grab yourself an account before the 31st of January at 11:59 CET. So make sure you get yourself an account and then you can start trading. Right. So let's just jump right into our analysis, starting with the dollar index. So the dollar index has been dropping real hard, like we anticipated here, like the trend line will be broken, which happened, and then it just went directly to TP, I think within a day, and that was a good 1.15321. Yeah, so nice start to the week, I would say. So what can we anticipate for this coming week? Well, what we can anticipate for this coming week is probably a slight reversal of the market, probably coming up into this area, or even just this support area, because support can become resistance, then probably we could be coming all the way down. So trying to jump into this market that has been falling real hard because of whatever is going on in the US is kind of risky. So rather, what we can do is wait for the market to show us what it wants to do, then we react or respond to what the market wants to do. So come next week, what we'll be looking for this time around, let us get rid of these, get rid of that, and that. So this is also a support level, which is like a previous older support, which is right here. So the market most definitely is probably looking to bounce from this area. So that's why I say we could be coming all the way up there. So let's keep an eye watch on that for this week, because we could be coming all the way up here. And if we do, we could be even coming further up into this area, or this could be an area of the reversal coming all the way down. So for this one, I would not really put any penny in orders whatsoever, but let's just see how the week unfolds on the dollar index. So with that in mind, with the dollar index, with its weakness and everything, caused a huge problem for euro dollar. Crazy part was we were right in the right direction. We got filled. This one did not get filled because this one got filled first. So this one got cancelled out. So yeah, this is what happened. The market continued moving up, then it pushed down, took us out, then it continued all the way up. Right now, the sentiment is 67% of people are selling right now. So there's that kind of imbalance, I would say. So you'd rather be looking for buying opportunities. So my anticipation of this, I won't even put penny orders because I know how this market behaves. So this resistance right here can be our underlying support level. So come next week, we could be looking for the market to come down here before we actually go up. A lower low stop loss would be ideal in this scenario. Let's push that down. Oh, why is it not moving? Okay, let's see. I don't understand why. Okay, finally. So low stop loss. We could probably put this as a 1-to-1 coming all the way up here. I just don't understand why it's not. Yeah, there we go. With a low stop loss right there. Entry just right above here around 1.1800. Then we could be aiming probably for 1.19. Yeah. So this would be a good 1.16 to 1. So this is what we could be aiming for this coming week. Let's just push it there. So this is the entry would be looking for next week on euro dollar. Let us now go into dollar yen. So dollar yen, we were anticipating that the market would come all the way down. It kind of sort of did come into that area, and then it immediately went all the way up. So this got invalidated since the target already got hit. So what does this mean now? Well, the trend line is broken. That's one thing. Sellers are still too much. So what does this mean actually? Well, this means that we should be careful of what we enter into this market at the current moment in time. What I can say though is most people will be looking probably for shorting opportunities. So probably for the market to come into this area and then continue all the way down. But what I think is it will come into this area, then continue back up from where it came from. I feel this is an actual just shock from the market and does not really underlie any movement to the downside because we are literally at a level of support here and here. So we might even come as far lower here before actually moving back all the way up. So for next week, my anticipation is we will be probably looking for buys once we are above this area of 156.250. So once we have a clear pass of that, then we could be coming all the way up here. This is a great 5-to-1 trade that we could be looking for, like a nice setup right there. So let's keep an eye watch on that for next week. Then let's move over to pound yen. So pound yen, we got filled, then we got stopped out, unfortunately. The balance here is not balancing, like it's almost 50-50 with the buys and sells. But overall, what we can see in the market here is like this seems like a pullback because we had like a whipsaw came all the way up here. So we could be actually moving back up, or possibly, but we are yet to see. So I would say an entry here would be great. Like right now, an entry right here, right now would be great. Aiming for the upside, like just looking to take out the previous high. That's what can be a nice outlook for this. Let's see if we can. Oh, shoot. I don't know why this does not do what I wanted to do. Okay, great. There we go. Then, if the market dips below this previous low, then we could be looking instead for shorting opportunities. I don't know if maybe the market will probably come up a little bit, then create a U shape before coming all the way down. Then we could be coming into this area, probably the 20 or the 210 area, probably even just like a round number just there. Then this could be a good 2-to-1. Then if we go up here, this could be, what can we be looking for here? This could be a great 5 to 1. So this is what we can anticipate on pound yen. So right now we could be looking for just an immediate entry here, market execution, going all the way up with a low stop loss below this previous low. Or if this previous low just gets stopped out, then this is the move we could be looking for all the way to 210 on pound yen. Then let's look at dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican managed to do what it had to do. It didn't even come all the way up. It just immediately dropped, filled that up right there. And it seems like we still have very few sellers. So this market can continue pushing all the way down. So that is one thing we need to keep in mind right here. And an area the market looks to probably be coming down to is this support level right here. So if we go to a higher time frame, let's just go to the daily, because this is a very strong trend, because the trend is your friend. So this support area could be something we could be targeting longer term. So we could be probably just putting that all the way here. Because if you look at this like at a grand level, you see that this is definitely a downward trend, where we tried to even see right here, like this was a channel got broken, textbook type of things that continued all the way down, breached right through support. So probably this could be our next support level around 16.50 area. We could be coming as far as down there. But before that happens, I do believe next week we might be having a pullback, especially since the dollar has dropped too hard. So they might try and prop the dollar to just put some money inflows into the economy and everything like that. So for next week, we could be actually looking for the market to come into this area. A high stop loss right above there would be ideal. So that is what we can be looking for. So just a sell position here, a pending sell could be great. With a tight stop loss, then we could be aiming to come all the way down here to 1650. So let's just push that all the way down. Yeah, so somewhere here. Well, let's just say 1660. Yeah, so we're looking for the market to come all the way up here, get us filled, then we come all the way down here. So this could be a great 10 to 1. This may be more of a long-term outlook. So that is what we could anticipate. Then CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, we're still ongoing, surprisingly. Oh, let's put that back there. We're still ongoing, but this would be a great time to move like the stop loss to break even. So this would be like a break even trade right here. Let's just put BE here, BE, so that we can just remind ourselves. Then let's remove this and this and this. Yeah, so this is what we're anticipating on CAD Swiss for this coming week. Then pound dollar did not really quite go well as planned. We got filled, then immediately got out of the trade within a short period of time. We have very few buyers, so this one is also probably in the same scenario type thing. So we could be just looking for the market to dip below here, probably to this resistance level right here. So this is what we could be anticipating for this coming week, because nothing goes up straight like this without a pullback. That's one thing we need to keep in mind. Like nothing really goes up in a straight line. So we could be looking for that kind of setup right here. Then yeah, probably a good 1 to 1. We don't want to really stretch this one. So a good 1 to 1. Probably we could be aiming close to 37, like 1.37 is an area we could be coming up to. So just a round figure, we'll be looking for the market to come all the way down here, then proceed all the way up. So that is my anticipation on pound dollar. Then gold. Gold didn't even waste time, didn't even give us like a pullback into this area. When the market opened, it just broke all the way up and continued. And right now, we do have very few sellers in this market, but this is metals, this is not currency. We got to be really, really careful here. So, if we're looking for selling opportunities, this would be an ideal moment. But if we're looking to actually buy into this market, I would say if maybe the market just makes a round off number, somewhere around 50,000, if we do touch 50,000, then we could be looking to make higher highs, and then this could be like the low. We can put our stop loss, and then we can aim for a good 1-to-1 probably, yeah, or even just a round number around, again, I think 5-100, but that one is just like a low number to choose from, so let's maybe make it 5-110. So if we do push beyond 5,000, we could be seeing ourselves at 5-120. This is a golden moment for gold right now. Like literally a golden moment. Like imagine we came all the way from this short-term downtrend, then we continued all the way up, minor pullbacks, and then strongly all the way up. So gold is really, really, really strong right now. But if there is some weakness and we're looking to go short on gold, then I would recommend that we wait for this previous low to be broken, like just right there. So let me just adjust the stop loss so I could know the difference. But the stop loss would be on the previous high. Then we could be aiming probably for the gap, which happened on Monday. So we could be looking for probably 4,600 as a target area, just a round number. Yeah, so that's what we could be aiming for this coming week on gold. So if we do have a break below or beyond 5,000, you know what to do. Go long. If we have a break below 4,895, then we go short. Simple. Right, then let's move over to the indices. NAS 100. NAS 100 managed to push strongly to the downside, hit our take profit right there, which is great. And we're back up. We're back up. So what does that mean? We don't have any sentiment to look at what the market may be doing here, but I do think people might be running to stocks since they see the US dollar is dropping. So we might actually even probably be making a new high here. So we'll just wait for the market to probably go beyond this previous high right here. Then we could put our stop loss on this previous low. Then we could be aiming to go to the upside right there. See he does it. Oh, why is this thing not moving? Okay, there we go. So this could be a nice 1.85-to-1. So this is what we can anticipate for the coming week. Let us even put the line over there. So this is what we can anticipate for the coming week. If we just go right above 25700, then we could be seeing ourselves probably coming all the way up to make a new high around 26290. So let's keep an eye watch on NAS 100. Then Bitcoin, I loved what it did. It didn't even waste time. Got filled right below this low and then came all the way down here. So what can we anticipate for this coming week with Bitcoin as well? Well, it seems like we could be in a consolidation. It seems like a consolidation could be forming already. I see this jig go around here. So we might be coming all the way down here for the week, then probably bouncing from here, then coming all the way back up. So overall, I do think this is a range we can play in with very, very tight stop losses. So yeah, that is what I'm anticipating on Bitcoin. So let's keep an eye watch on that. So Bitcoin, we are anticipating a consolidation. So right now we could be looking for a sell coming all the way down here. Then we quickly buy into this area. Then move all the way up there, probably 3 times. So if this would be the first one coming all the way down here, we buy the second time, sell here the third time, then we get out right here. And I think that would be all you'd be doing here. Probably just 3 touches, that's all you need. It can continue doing whatever it wants, but up until this probably consolidation finishes off, that's provided this is a consolidation we're in. But if we continue all the way down here, like we continue pushing even after the buy, then this could just definitely be invalidated, and then that just probably means that the downward push is continuing, because right now it even seems like the sentiment is coming to a 50-50, so there isn't really any imbalance whatsoever on Bitcoin. Right, and Ethereum also pushed all the way down as well, which was great. Same scenario. I do think also here we'll be having a consolidation already. It's on its way down. So we could be pushing all the way down here. Then we could be buying. That was the first touch, second touch over there, and the third touch, then we're out of this. We don't need to continue trading. But overall, we also need to be careful of this. We have like 11% of traders who are short on Ethereum. So this could even actually trigger a moment where the market actually shorts down here, like just probably comes even probably down there. So just keep also this in mind. So next week, let us be careful as well. So if we do get pushed below here, then we could be coming to this next support level. But right now, one-to-ones within this box, first touch, second touch, third touch, right there, we're done. And then we'll probably be looking for this pending order to be filled. So this is where we're coming to an end for our analysis this evening. I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite a lengthy one, but I hope you found it informative. And I'll be seeing you all next week. Make sure you get the Start 26 coupon offer. Make sure you take advantage of it before it ends. It gives you 30% off all products at OFP. And have a lovely weekend and happy trading.